Hello guys, nice to see you. This is dgsole.cn. Welcome to check our website, and you can catch the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2. You can catch this is the newest color, black with red. Here you can catch the stitching on these vamps. And here the SPLY and the 350 logo here. Also you can catch the midsole, the front toe box, catch the stitching on in this middle part, and shoelaces. Another side here, and the back. Check the inner part. Adidas Yeezy logo. Inside insole, and here you can catch the size tag. Check this bottom logo, and here you can catch the boost. Very nice quality. I check the other side. The clay shoe here you can catch this is the contrary, the different direction of the last of this one. Very special here, and also can catch the shoelaces. Back. And bottom. Now let's check the box. Now let's solve everything. If you have any problem, you can contact with us. Let's solve it. Thank you for listening. Bye.